is it that you want young people out there to know most about the performance? What do you want them to take away with them from the performance that you've just delivered here on stage? Who could answer that for us?
Uda shy all of a sudden. Hey?
Got to think about it. Just work together. Be one.
Give it up.
We may be small, but you have lots of pride, eh? That's all. Thanks.
Okay, question 2. I have a second question for you guys. What was the hardest part about trying to get the group started and trying to get Pacific performance going to bring for us today? What was the hardest part about getting practices together and all that? Could anyone answer that?
Yeah, just hardest thing was mostly turning up to practice. We only had like 2 practices before we came here. You know Melville, no good.
All right. And so my final question is, out of all your performances that you did today, what was the part that you enjoyed the most? Anyone else would like to give an answer?
When you're speaking to me.
Give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen.